guys, welcome back to my channel BellzaJanhwi. I make skincare, makeup and hair care related videos. So today's video is all about how to create a green smoky eyes. ये मैंने अपने one of video में बनाया हुआ था. Then I thought why not to create this look again for all of you कि जिनको अगर नहीं आता है तो they can also learn how to create a green smoky eye. It's a very simple, very easy steps I have included in this. आपको step by steps पूरा clear हो जाएगा कि कैसे create करना है. Now before moving towards the video, I'll request you all to please subscribe my channel and hit the notification button क्योंकि ये मुझे बहुत encourage करता है इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे रहने के लिए और आप लोग के लिए हर वीक नए नए कंटेंट बनाने के लिए. So मेरे लिए it means a lot to me. Please do subscribing my channel. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So this is an inside primer. I have already told about this primer in my previous videos also. If you haven't seen, you must be knowing about it. And from the Nykaa concealer stick, I'm going to conceal my eyes. I'm so happy that there is no more dark circles now as I was having earlier. Still I have to conceal my eyes to be in a very monochromatic way the looking like. And now I'm taking the nude brownie shade almost matching with my skin tone, and I'll just apply it all over my eyelid and I'll blend this with my fluffy brush. This is a local brush, though I can't tell you the number about the brush. Now again I'm taking a dark brown shade from my skin tone and again I'm applying this on my all over eyelid, especially on my above eyelid. I'll not take that eyeshadow to the inner corner or the half eyelid of my. Now I'm taking the brown shade from the Swiss Beauty palette and this I'll just apply on my upper eyelid and I'll blend it properly. Now concealing my half eyelid so that I can give a proper green smoky eye look. Now this is a Blue Heaven kajal, a green kajal. This I will apply on all over my half eyelid and I'll blend it with my brush. I'm so sorry that you can see the lip sync in this video just because I was talking to my husband. Blend it properly with the fluffy brush. Now taking from the dark green shadow. And this also I will apply on my half eyelid from inner corner to the outer corner and I'll blend it properly with the help of a fluffy brush. Just because it was not that pigmented, that's why I have to apply again and again this to give it that vibrant look. Now I'm just setting everything properly so that there will be no sharp edges and cleaning my side corner of the eyes. So there will be a proper shape, almond shape. And with the help of a Lakme eyeliner, I'll just make the winged eyeliner. I just love the winged eyeliner. I don't know why, but I love it. It takes time to dry, that's why I'm waiting to let it dry. Now this is eyelashes curler. I'm curling my eyelashes so that when I'll apply a mascara, it gives a proper look of curl. This is a Faces Canada mascara and the Faces Canada kajal I'm using on my lower eyelashes line. Again I'm taking this brown shade to smudge from the outer corner to the inner corner of my lower eyelashes line. I'm just waiting to dry it up. Now I'm taking a gold shimmery shade in my inner corner and my brow bone. And again I'm setting with the concealer to just remove excess fallout of the shadow. For the green smoky eyes, what you all have to do, now I'll do my base makeup and then I'll come back to the video. It for today's video guys. I hope ये steps बहुत easy रहे आपके लिए. I hope this was helpful for you. and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please do not forget to hit the like button. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, family, everywhere as much as you can. I have mentioned the link of that page in my description box, and the product which I have used to create this look also, I will drop that link in my description box. Everything will be in my description box. Please do not forget to check out my description box, and please support me. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye.